Rabbit's house.
I have a box. It is my house. I don't have an umbrella.
The rabbit has money.
I want socks.
The rabbit has a quilt.
It is big.
The rabbit has a tent.
Yes, I like this house. I like this bed.
Vocabulary.
Rabbit. House.
Box.
Umbrella.
Money.
Socks.
Quilt. Tent.
Bed.